This method can help answer key questions in the next generation solar cell field, such as sensitized architecture-based solar cells. The main advantage of this technique is that it is a simple solution process for fabrication of high-performance chalcogenide solar cells. Demonstrating the procedure will be Eunjeong Hwang, an assistant researcher from my laboratory.
First, add 20 milliliters of ethanol to a 50 milliliter vial containing a magnetic stir bar and seal the vial. Transfer the vial to a nitrogen-filled glove box with a moisture-controlled system. Using a syringe with a 0.45 micron PVDF filter, add 1.225 milliliters of titanium isopropoxide to the vial and gently stir the mixture for at least 30 minutes. In a second 50 milliliter vial containing a magnetic stir bar, add 20 milliliters of ethanol, 18 microliters of 70% nitric acid, and 138 microliters of water. Gently stir the mixture for at least 30 minutes. After removing the first vial from the glove box, mix the two solutions by pouring the nitric acid solution into the titanium isopropoxide solution and stir for more than 2 hours to obtain the transparent 0.1 molar titanium dioxide blocking layer solution. Inside the glove box, prepare an antimony trichloride stock solution by mixing 1 millimole of antimony trichloride with 1 milliliter of DMF. Add a proper amount of the stock solution to a vial containing a given amount of thiourea to achieve the desired molar ratio of antimony trichloride.